Hello everyone, can you hear me? Hi, today we will discuss some important previous year questions from Circles chapter. Are you all ready? Can you see the question on the board? Here in this question, if you read, we have pair of tangents from an external point A to the circle, that is AP and AQ, and the length of each tangent is 5 centimeters. And the two tangents are perpendicular to each other. Question is, two tangents are perpendicular to each other, means what? Angle between two tangents is 90 degrees and the length of each tangent is 5 centimeters. Then we have to find out radius of the circle. You can type your answer. If anybody knows, you can type the answer in the chat. So here, okay, I'll explain this. In this question, first try to join these two, OP and OQ. So I am joining OP, OQ, join OP and OQ. Then here we know this angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 90 degrees. When these two angles are 90 degrees, each angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. Already at angle A, it is given that both the two tangents are perpendicular to each other. So angle at A is also 90 degrees. Then what will be angle at O? In a quadrilateral, sum of four angles is 90 degrees. Sum of four angles is 360 degrees. So we already got three angles 90 degrees. So angle at O also it becomes 90 degrees. Angle at O is also 90 degrees. And we know each tangent is 5. AP is 5. AQ is also 5. And what happens? This APOQ will become a square. APOQ will become square now. So like this. It's going to be a square. So in a square, we know all four sides are equal. We already know this is, let us take this is A, P, O, Q. We have all four angles 90 degrees, so it becomes a square. Now we already know AP is 5, AQ is 5. Then what about OP and OQ? OP and OQ are also 5, 5. So radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. So what is the correct answer here? In this question, correct answer is option C. Option C is correct. Hope you understood this. So you remember, whenever angle between two tangents is given 90 degrees, it becomes a square. If it is a square, all four sides are equal. So the radius of the circle is also 5 centimeters. That is okay. But sometimes they ask you, find the length of OP, PQ. Here they are asking OP, radius. So OP and OQ both are 5, 5. If they ask you PQ, how do you find PQ? PQ or OQ? If they ask you PQ or OQ, you remember diagonal of a square is root 2 times of its side. Diagonal of a square is root 2 times of its side. So because side is 5, this becomes 5 root 2. So here PQ or AO both will be equal to 5 root 2 centimeters. But here they did not ask you diagonal, or they did not ask you the distance between external point and center, or they did not ask you that chord PQ. If they ask you the length of the chord PQ or distance between external point and the center, it is going to be 5 root 2. But in this question they are asking only radius. So radius is only 5 centimeters. Hope you understood this. Shall we enter into the next? Smaran. Good evening. Now let's see the next question here. So option is 5, because option is angle is given 90 degrees. Option is 5. Depends on angle here what it is. Next question. Try to answer this question. Once you try, if you know, okay. Otherwise I'll explain to you again. Second question. In this question, what it is given? PT is a tangent to the circle at P, and angle QPT is equal to 90 degrees. QPT. Where is QPT? Observe carefully the figure. QPT means this angle. This angle is given 60 degrees. Angle QPT is 60 degrees, and they are asking angle PRQ, this angle. Angle PRQ they are asking. How can we find angle PRQ? Guess which option is correct once you try. I'll explain to you again later, but once you try it. Got anyone this answer? Now let's discuss about this. Question number, small disturbance was there. Okay. Sir, is it 120? Yes, Maran, how you got it? Answer is correct 120, but do you know the method how it is 120? One second, I am adjusting the things. One second. Okay. Okay. Sir, total is 180. Yes, correct. Okay, now let's discuss this. What Smarna answered is correct. Here the question, you have to find PRQ. But before you are finding PRQ, let's see what we know. This angle is 60 degrees. When this angle is 60 degrees, this total angle is 90 degrees. We know angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So when total angle is 90 degrees and this angle is 60 degrees, inside here it is 30 degrees. So what angle OPQ is equal to 30 degrees. Angle OPQ is equal to 30 degrees and angle OQP is also 30 degrees because they both are same. Because these two are radius. Why? Because OP is equal to OQ radius. Then you can take triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, we know angle OPQ plus angle OQP plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degrees. In that these two are 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees plus 30 degrees plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degrees. And angle POQ is equal to 180 minus 60, 120 degrees. So we got angle POQ. So this angle we got. So here what we got, this is 30, this is also 30, this is 120 and this is 120. This total is 240 here because the angle at the center is complete 360 degrees. So that reflex angle will be 240 degrees. When that is 240 degrees, PRQ will be half of it. PRQ will be half of 240, that is 120. So your option is 120 degrees. Option C is correct. Hope you understood this solution. Hope you can see better now. Now let's see next problem. Try this question. Find the length of the card. Find the length of the card. Try this. Select the correct option. Anchit, good evening. What is the correct answer here? You have to find length of the card. AB. I told you one formula also here when this type of question comes. Good evening, Taha. Good evening. What is the answer for this question? AB. How can we find out AB here? Once you try, later I will also explain the answer. Are you trying or you want me to explain this? Answer is 5. Okay. There is no option 5 in that. Option A is 3 centimeters, option B is 6 centimeters, option C 9 centimeters, option D 1 centimeter. Which is correct? Okay. I am explaining. 6. Correct. So here what happens? Once you join this OA, then you can see a right angle triangle like this. There is one right angle triangle O O C A. In this OCA, we know radii of two circles. One is OC is radius of one circle, that is 4 centimeters, and it is also given radius of bigger circle, that is OA 5 centimeters. So we have to find out first length of AC, and then 2 times of AC will be equal to AB. So very simple Pythagoras theorem we use. So what it is, according to Pythagoras theorem, x square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So what it is, x square plus 16 is equal to 25. So by this what we get, x square is equal to 25 minus 16. So x square is equal to 9. X is equal to plus or minus 3, but here we take only plus 3 because it is distance. So x is equal to 3 means what, AC is 3 centimeters. Now AB is 2 times of AC. AB is 2 times of AC, so AB is equal to 2 into 3, 6 centimeters. And here I told you one formula also, whenever this type of question comes, length of card is equal to 2 times capital R square minus small r square. By using this formula, we get it directly. 2 into 25 minus 16, 2 into root 9, 2 into 3. So in this way also we will get answer 6 centimeters. So which is correct? Option B is correct in this. Hope you understood this. Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Now I am going to the next one. Next question. Try this question answer. What is the answer of this question? What is the answer for this question? Is it clear figure? Yes. Now you have to find what is angle COD. Find out angle COD, what it is. Angle COD. Find the value of angle COD. We have one problem. If you remember the result of that problem, we can answer this question quickly. Correct. Taha is correct. Good. Can you tell me what method we follow? You can type there which method we follow. We have a problem. Proof. What is the proof? If a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, then opposite sides subtend supplementary angles at the center. Quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral circumscribing a circle, opposite sides subtends supplementary angles at the center. So here AB and CD are opposite sides, and angle made by AB and CD are AOB and COD. So here the formula is angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. Already angle AOB is given 125, so 125 degrees plus angle COD is equal to 180 degrees. When we transpose 125 that side, angle COD is equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. So angle COD is equal to 55 degrees. So option D is correct in this. Did you understand this? So I am going to the next question now. This question. You have to find out angle BAT here. What is angle BAT? Find the value of angle BAT. Option D. Angle BAT. What is angle BAT? Find angle BAT. Try. Type your answer. Angle BAT. You can draw the figure and write. Aha is again correct. Good evening, Virat. Karantej. Good evening. Good evening, all of you. So, shall we see here this solution? Here, one point you have to remember, very important, that is this AC is diameter here. AC is diameter. Diameter, then it becomes a semicircle. So, here angle ABC becomes 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle is right angle. So, this angle is 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. So, this is 90 degrees. And here we have 50 degrees already. Then what will be this? Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we know angle ACB plus angle ABC plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle. In that already angle ACB is given 50 degrees. And angle ABC we know 90 degrees because angle in a semicircle. And what is angle BAC? Angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 140 degrees. So what is angle BAC? Angle BAC is 40 degrees. So Taha, your answer is wrong. Angle BAC is 40 degrees. We want angle BAT. Good evening, Sudhanshu. We want angle BAT. BAT is not 40 degrees. Suresh Kumar. Now see, angle BAC is 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. We want angle BAT. We know angle BAC plus angle BAT is equal to 90 degrees. Already angle BAC we got 40 degrees. So 40 degrees plus angle BAT is equal to 90 degrees. Right now, what is angle BAT? Angle BAT is 50 degrees, not 40 degrees. Angle BAT is 50 degrees. Option C is correct. Did you understand this? So it's not 40 degrees, it is 50 degrees. Starting I also said 40 degrees. So it's not 40, it is 50. Okay, remember. Shall we move to the next one now? Now, next question. I am moving to the next question. Try this. You have to find out area here. You have to find out area of the quadrilateral total OQPR. Area of quadrilateral OQPR we have to find. Once you try, we'll see who will answer. OQPR. OQPR. Area of OQPR. What is the correct answer? PQOR. PQOR or OQPR. The total quadrilateral area we have to find. What is the answer for this question? Area. Are you trying? Yes. Okay. Try it. It's not 50. There is no answer 50. There is no option 50 in this. You have 60, 65, 30, 32.5. Smaran. What is the correct answer here? Objective. Okay. I will start explanation. I will tell you this how to do. We have to find out the length of the tangent there first. See here we have triangle, right angle triangle. There are two right angle triangles in this. So you have one right angle triangle like this. Okay, here this is Q, this is O, this is P, and here we have 90 degrees. We know this is 5 centimeters, this is 13 centimeters. Then find the length of PQ first. Let us take that as x centimeters. Then we have to use Pythagoras theorem again to find out PQ. So what is now PQ? X square plus 5 square is equal to 13 square. So from this, x square plus 25 is equal to 169. X square is equal to 169 minus 25, which is x square is equal to 144. So what is x plus or minus 12? So we take it as 12 centimeters. So we got this now. Now in a right angle triangle, what is area of a triangle? In any right angle triangle, area of a triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. So now here this is base and this is height. So area of triangle POQ is equal to half into base is 12 and height is 5. So what it is? 6 5 is a 30 centimeter square. This is area of one triangle. We have two triangles here. This is one, this is one. Two triangles are there. So area of two triangles will be 2 into, that is area of quadrilateral now, total PQOR. So area of PQOR is what? 2 into 30, which is 60 centimeter square. 60 centimeter square, option A is correct. Hope you understood this. It's right angle triangle. No, sir, then height will be PO only. No. So PO is not height here. Right angle triangle is POQ. So the two height and base will be perpendicular to each other. Height and base are perpendicular to each other. So if you take OQ as height, PQ is base. PQ is height, OQ is base. Hope you understood this. Smaran, it is OQ. One of them you can take it as base and other one is height. One OQ and PQ. Two perpendicular sides you have to take. Henry, did you get it? What I said? Right, okay. Now area is not 30 because there are two triangles. It is 60 centimeter square. Now the next problem. So try this. 80 is equal to what? We have to find out the length of 80. Find length of 80. How can we find length of 80? I will see who will answer me quickly. You know angle and hypotenuse. You know angle and hypotenuse. We have to find 80. I am waiting for your answers. Option C. Taha is correct again. Yes, okay. Option C. Smaran about what? Pythagoras theorem. That is over. Now I am talking about this question. In this question, what is the correct answer? So here which ratio we have to use? Do you know? It is not Pythagoras theorem because you know one angle and one side. We can't use Pythagoras theorem here. We have to use trigonometry. We have to use trigonometry here because it is again right angle triangle and we don't know two sides. We know this angle 30 degrees and this side 4 centimeters. We want this side. Let us take it as x. Now this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So adjacent side and hypotenuse, which trigonometric ratio we have to take? When you know adjacent side and hypotenuse, when you want adjacent side and we know hypotenuse, so we take cos. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 30 degrees is equal to x by, because I took x here, it is x by 4. Cos 30 degrees is equal to x by 4. What is cos 30 degrees value? Root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 2 is equal to x by 4. Now cross multiplication, 2x is equal to 4 root 3. So x is equal to 4 root 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so therefore x is equal to 2 root 3. Hope you understood this, everyone. So option C is correct in this, 2 root 3 centimeters. Yes. Now let's see the another one. Next question. Try this question answer. Try this one. What is the correct answer here? In this we know PQ is chord and PR is the tangent to the circle touching the circle at P, and it is making 50 degrees. The tangent is making 50 degrees with the chord. Then we have to find out angle POQ. Angle POQ. Angle POQ. Taha 90 degrees. Oh, okay. Let other people also, other students also try once. 90 question mark 100 current age. Okay, here current age is correct. So let's see here how it is 100. See, we know angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So this total angle OPR is equal to 90 degrees. Angle OPR is equal to 90 degrees. Angle OPR is equal to 90 degrees, and it is also given angle QPR 50 degrees. Then what happens? Angle OPQ plus angle QPR is equal to 90 degrees. So in this already QPR is 50 degrees, so OPQ is equal to 90 minus 50. OPQ is equal to 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. If that is 40 degrees, this is also 40 degrees, because OP is equal to OQ. So angle OPQ is equal to angle OQP is equal to 40 degrees. If these two are 40, 40, what about angle POQ? So therefore angle POQ should be 100 degrees, because sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Hope you understood this. Yes, all of you are listening well. Good. Hope you are understanding the solutions also. In board exam final also you will be having MCQs like this. You should know how to answer them. That's why I conducted this session. Hope it will help you to answer objectives in final. Now let's see this question. Try this one. You have to find out angle OAB. Angle OAB. Find out angle OAB. Who will answer? We will see. Angle OAB. Angle OAB. Are you trying? We will be having some more important and some twisted questions also. Try to listen till the end. Yes, this answer is correct. Why here again? The same logic before, like before. Here we know AP is equal to PB. AP is equal to 40 is not correct now. AP is equal to PB. Then angle PAB is equal to angle PBA. Means what? These two are equal. Let us take these two are XX. So in a triangle, sum of three angles is 180 degrees. So what we get x plus 50 is equal to 180. Then 2x plus 50 is equal to 180. Then 2x is equal to 180 minus 50. So 2x is equal to 130. So x is equal to 65. X is equal to 65 degrees. And we also know angle OAP is equal to 90 degrees. Angle OAP is nothing but angle X plus angle OAB here. Means what? This one plus this gap. We want this OAB is equal to 90 degrees. This already X is 65 degrees. So 65 plus OAB is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore what is angle OAB? OAB is 90 minus 65. So angle OAB is equal to 25. 25 degrees is correct option. And I will tell you one very important point here. Now onwards we can remember this as a formula. Okay, let's draw here again one more circle to remember this clearly. This is circle. This is one tangent. This is one more tangent. This is radius. Now this angle, suppose if it is x, this inside angle it is x by 2 half. Remember. So if it is 50 here, this is 25. Okay. Similarly, if this angle is x, this angle is x, this angle will be half of it. Okay, this angle at the center will be 2 times of this. Hope you understood this point. So let's see the next one. This one. Try this. You have to find length of each tangent is equal to. What is the length of the tangent here? Find out the length of the tangent. Length of the tangent we have to find out. Here also again we use not Pythagoras theorem, we use trigonometry. Trigonometry we use here. Karthikeya joined. Okay. What is the length of the tangent here? PQ. Oh, Taha got the correct answer quickly. Here again we use the same right angle triangle and angle we know. So this is our right angle triangle, like this it is given in this. Here we know this is 90 degrees. and we know this is 3 centimeters. We want this length of the tangent we want. This angle we know 30 degrees. Now we know, oh, it is opposite side. We know opposite side. We want adjacent side. We already know opposite side. We want adjacent side. It is not hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. This is adjacent. So which trigonometric ratio we have to use? We have to use tan, not sine 30, because it is not hypotenuse. We want length of the tangent. Understood, Taha? So what it is, tan 30 degrees we have to use. Tan 30 degrees is equal to x by 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to x by 3. Therefore, x root 3 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3, but option is not there. We can rationalize it. So it becomes 3 root 3 by 3. 3 cancel. So x is equal to root 3 centimeters. But option is not given. One by root 3 is equal to, oh, I did wrong. 1 second. Yeah, I did wrong here. One small mistake. I took x by 3, but it is 3 by x. So it is 3 by x. Cross multiplication, x is equal to 3 root 3. 3 root 3 is correct. Yeah, your answers are correct. Option D. So we have to be careful while we are solving. If we do one small mistake, it will go wrong. Option D, 3 root 3 centimeters is correct. Hope this is clear. We go to the next. Try this. Once try this question. Yeah, we'll see who will answer this. This is one very nice question. See the figure carefully. See that figure carefully and try it. What is your answer? You have to find angle AQB here. Angle AQB. This we have to find. What is that angle? Aha. We have to find angle AQB. So your answer is 20. Now 20, later again 40. Okay. Answer 40 is correct. How it is 40? We have to remember one concept here, that is, hope you can see this picture clearly now. This angle is 90 degrees, we know. That is 90 degrees. And in that this angle is already 70 degrees. Outside this is 70. Then inside it will be 20 here. Okay, that is, let it be, that is 20. And you know, these two are, because they said these two are parallel. These two are parallel lines. These two are alternate interior angles. This one and this 70. outside angle. So here again I am writing this is 70 and this is also 70, alternate interior. This is also 70. And there is one more concept called as alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem means the angle between tangent and chord is equal to angle in the alternate segment. Angle in the alternate segment here. These two are also equal, 70. So if you take this triangle now, 70, 70 and this one total you take x. Sum of three angles in a triangle is, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So 70 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 140, which is 40 degrees. Hope you understood this now. So option C is correct. Next question. Once try this question answer. It takes some time. It's not objective, it is a subjective. We have to find out angle PTA. Angle PTA. Find angle PTA. Yes, correct. Sujata Vallabharaju. What is this? Try this. This figure. You have to find out angle PTA here. Angle PTA. Shall I explain this? See here, let's see here in this problem what information is given. Hope you can see picture clearly now. Are you trying this? Okay, you are trying, Henry. Okay, try. Here only this angle is given, 30 degrees. Only this 30 degrees is given. You have to find out this angle what it is. So try it. We will see who will get it. It will take some time. Oh, Smaran. Okay. Smaran got answer. Henry. No. Correct. Okay, Smaran, your answer is correct. Taha, you got 60. Okay, we will see which is correct. 30 or 60 or 45. After my explanation, you will come to know what it is. 60 or 30, one answer. Henry got 60. Okay, shall we start discussion? Okay, I am explaining this. See, here first important point. You have to know this. These two are equal. OB is equal to OP, correct? I am explaining everything in the figure. You know OB is equal to OP. So if this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. OB is equal to OP. These two are 30 30. So if these two are 30 30, what is this angle? Sum of three angles should be 180. So if this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees. These two are 30 30. Then angle at O is 120 degrees. Hope you understood up to here. Yeah, Smaran, you can see at last you will find out what you got is correct or not. This is 30 degrees. So at P, BPO is 30 degrees, then angle BOP is 120 degrees. If angle BOP is 120 degrees, this angle POA is 60 degrees because they are linear pair of angles. Angle POA is 60 degrees. Now again these two angles are equal here because again what we know that OP is equal to OP is equal to OA. These two are equal. When OP is equal to OA, then these two angles are also equal. So let us take X and X. And the two X plus X plus 60 should be 180. X plus 60 should be 180. So these two also they should be 60 degrees. Okay, hope you understood this. Now this is 60. When this is 60, this total angle here again linear pair of angles. This is 60, this total should be 120 again, 120 degrees. Okay, linear pair of angles total should be 180. So here it is already 60, outside it is 120. That up to there. Okay, now after this to get this angle at T, we have to take angle between tangent and radius. Here we can say this angle, which color I can denote it? 1 second. This angle, if you see, this is 90 degrees here. This 90 degrees already inside it is 60. So outside it is 30 degrees here. This is 30. Outside it is 30 and this is 120. So in this triangle PAT, we got already two angles. One has 30 and one more is 120. So what is it P here? Yes, it is 30 degrees. Did you understand my explanation? Answer 30 degrees is correct. Did you understand this explanation now? Okay, anyway, hope you understood this. So first we took these two equal. That's why these two are 30 30. So this is 120. Because it is 120, here angle 60 degrees it is. This is 60 degrees again. These two are equal. So these two are 60. And we know here angle 90 degrees. We already know this is 60. So this should be 30. And this total should be 180. This is already 60. So this should be 120. This is 30. This is 120. So this should be 30. So now the next one. We are going to the next problem. So see this problem once we have to find angle CBA. PCA we know. Have to find angle CBA. CBA. PCA we know. Can you see the figure? PCA. PCA means this total angle is given. This total angle it is given 110 degrees. Total angle is 110 degrees. What is this angle CBA? This angle we have to find here in this. Are you trying? Okay, we will discuss this one also. We know here it is given that angle PCA is equal to 110 degrees. We already know angle PCO is equal to 90 degrees because angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So this is 90 and this is 110. So this angle should be 20 degrees here. So which angle is 20 degrees? Angle OCA is equal to 20 degrees. We want CBA. Total is 110 and this is 90. So we got this as 20. If this is 20, this is also 20 because these two angles are equal. These two are 20, 20. This will be 140 because sum of three angles should be 180 degrees. So now this is 140 degrees. If this is 140 degrees, this will be inside 40 degrees. That is 40 degrees. These two are equal here. This one and this one here. Because these two angles are equal. So x plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x is equal to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees. 2x is equal to 140 degrees. So x is equal to 70 degrees. So by this angle CBA is equal to 70 degrees. Did you understand this? Did you understand? I will repeat again quickly. They have given this total 110 and we know this is 90. Total from here to here 110 and this is 90. Then this is 20. If that is 20, this is also 20 because these two angles are these two sides are equal. This is 20, this is also 20, both are 20 20. They both are 20 20. This becomes 140 because sum of three angles should be 180 degrees. Sum of three angles will be 180 degrees. So 20, 20. So that should be 140. If this is 140, inside this will be 40 now, because they are linear pair angles. Now again here OC is equal to OB. OC is equal to OB. OC is equal to OB means what? Angle OCB is equal to angle OBC is equal to, let us take some x. So here in triangle x plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Then from that we get x is equal to 70 degrees. Hope you understood now. Yes, isosceles triangle property only. Because two sides are equal, two angles also we took equal. So we got that value as 40 degrees. This is 40, so other two should be 70, 70. Hope it is clear now. Now next problem. Try this one. We should find angle QSR. In this figure, observe the figure carefully. In this figure, we have to find angle QSR. This angle we have to find. Find out this angle QSR. Angle QSR we have to find. We will see who will try it. Angle QSR. Got anyone? What is the value of angle QSR? That is wrong answer. 80 is wrong answer. 80 is wrong answer. Kaha, 70 is correct answer. 80 is wrong answer. Shall we discuss how it is? Okay, let's see. In this, we know angle between tangent and radius is 90 degrees. So this total angle from here to here, it is 90 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. And here this is 50. So what is this angle? 40 degrees. Similarly, here this total angle is 90 degrees. And this is 60. And what is this angle? 30 degrees. Okay, after we are getting that 40, 30, we know these two sides are equal. This is equal to this. These two sides are equal. So if this is 40, this is also 40 degrees. Similarly, these two are equal. So if this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. So 30 degrees plus 40 degrees, 70 degrees. 30 plus 40, 70 degrees. Understood? Suraj Sujata Vallabharaj. That is not 80, that is 70. So hope you understood this. So next question, we have to prove this. Okay, here answer already it is given, we have to prove this. What in this figure, what we have to prove, c square plus d2 square is equal to d1 square, we have to prove this. So to prove this, what we do, we take this right angle triangle. Which triangle? BDO, ODB we will take. Triangle ODB, if you see, is there like this. So here this is B, D, O, and this is C by 2, this is D2 by 2, this is D1 by 2. So do you remember Pythagoras theorem? So according to Pythagoras theorem, what we can write here? Which is hypotenuse? We know OB square. We can write OB square is equal to OD square plus BD square. OB square is what? D1 by 2 whole square is equal to OD is what? D2 by 2. So D2 by 2 whole square. And another one, BD is C by 2 whole square. So that is D1 square by 4 is equal to D2 square by 4 plus C square by 4. So finally we get this result as what? D1 square by 4 is equal to D2 square plus C square whole divided by 4. Both the sides 4 4 we can cancel. So the final result is going to be D1 square is equal to C square plus D2 square. This is what we have to prove. Hope you understood how to do this. Next one. Who will try this? Only one or two, only two more questions are left over. And after this we will conclude. See this, how to get this, how to prove this. One second. Who will try this? After this we will conclude. One more day we will discuss. In this problem, we know that this is 90 degrees here. Okay, it is given in the question, it is 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees, all four sides are equal. So this BC is going to be R. BC is R. BC is R here. And AC is also R here. These two are RR. Okay, now this total value is B, then this is going to be B minus R. It is given this total value is B, then this will be B minus R. And this is R, so this will be, this is going to be A minus R. A minus R. So what we know here? What we know, AB is equal to, and you know length of the tangents are equal, no? So because length of the tangents are equal, from external point length of the tangents are equal, we know this BC from here to here it is A minus R, and from here to here it is going to be B minus R. So we know AB is equal to A minus R plus B minus R. But what is AB here? C. C is equal to A plus B minus 2R. A plus B minus 2R. Now what we do? 2R we will transpose here. C we will transpose here. Then we get 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. Then R is equal to A plus B minus C by 2. This is what we have to prove. Hope you understood this. Total is B and this is R because it is a square. All four sides are equal. So this is R, total is B. So this is going to be B minus R. If this is B minus R, here also it is B minus R. Similarly, total is A and this is R, this is A minus R. If this is A minus R, this is also, it is going to be A minus R. So total AB, length of the AB is A minus R plus B minus R. So that is nothing but C is equal to A plus B minus 2R. So 2R is equal to A plus B minus C. R is equal to A plus B minus C by 2. Now next question. Question number, this question, we have to prove that the line through P bisects BC. They have given this angle 90 degrees here. This angle is given 90 degrees. And this line PQ is a tangent at P. And it is also bisector at angle P here, this angle. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So angle B is equal to 90 degrees is given. A circle drawn with AB as a diameter intersecting hypotenuse AC at P. So the tangent to the circle at P bisects BC. It is given like this. So let's see this figure carefully and try to solve. So here what we know, one thing, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. In this angle A we took it as angle 1 in the figure, and angle B already we know it is 90 degrees because in the question it is given, plus angle C we took it as 5 is equal to 180 degrees. So by this what we understand, transpose 90 degrees that side, angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 minus 90, 90 degrees. Take it as 1. Okay, hope you understood this. Now after this we know angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. Angle APB is 90 degrees. When angle APB is 90 degrees, angle BPC is also 90 degrees. Why angle APB is 90 degrees first of all? Because again angle in semicircle is 90 degrees. Angle in semicircle. Therefore we say angle BPC is also 90 degrees. What is angle BPC? According to the question, it is angle 3 plus angle 4. So angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degrees. This is from 2. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. So from these two, we can write angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 5. And in these two, you know what? One more important information, angle 3 is equal to angle 1. Why angle 3 and angle 1 are equal? By alternate segment theorem. By alternate segment theorem, the angle between tangent and the chord is equal to angle in the alternate segment. So angle 3 is equal to angle 1. So here I wrote wrong. This is not 5, this is 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Now what angle 1 and angle 3 are equal by alternate segment theorem. So by this we understand angle 5 is equal to angle 4. Means what? This triangle is an isosceles triangle. So when angle phi is equal to angle 4, we say that PQ is equal to QC because it is isosceles triangle. Okay, PQ is equal to QC. If PQ is equal to QC, this is one. And we also know PQ is equal to BQ. You know why? PQ is equal to BQ because they are lengths of tangents from external point of the circle. So from these two, we can say BQ is equal to QC. BQ is equal to QC. Means what? That line PQ is bisecting BC. PQ is bisecting BC. This is the solution. So here what? First we took sum of three angles 180 degrees. Already this is 90. So 1 plus 5 is equal to 90. First equation. 3 plus 4 is equal to 90. Second equation. So by that 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 4. In that 1 and 3 are cancelled because by alternate segment theorem. Then what we get finally 4 is equal to 5. When 4 is equal to 5, in a triangle, two angles are equal by isosceles triangle property PQ is equal to QC. But we already know PQ is equal to BQ because they are lengths of tangents from external point. So by this we can say BQ is equal to QC. So that is bisecting. Hope you understood this. Now the next one, this is the last one. This is last one. Then by this we will end it. This is nothing but already we did here one problem. This is 30 degrees. We join this. We will join these two. I explained this before also. Again I am telling you. If this is 30 degrees, this is also 30 degrees. We have to show BC is equal to BD. So this is 30 degrees. They two are 30 30. We got this as 120. 1 second. This is not like that. Little different. Okay, this problem we'll discuss in the next class. BC is equal to BD. We have to prove these two. This will be 30 here. By alternate segment theorem, angle between tangent and chord is 30 degrees. So that is also 30 degrees. That is okay. But now what about this angle and this angle? We have to prove these two angles equal. Okay, we will discuss in the next class. Once I will find out it and I will tell you in the class. Thank you. Hope you understood today's classes. Some of you have joined late. We will discuss one more like this important concepts like trigonometric identities, triangles, areas related to circles, surface areas and volumes. Whenever I have time, I will send you a message. Try to join in the class and try to understand. Thank you. Hope it is useful to you. Thank you all.